Hi guys, it's David, and I'm here at August University. Want to walk you guys through early morning here, how to actually invest into cryptocurrencies, how to invest into Bitcoin before things get very parabolic, before things go off the charts. If you didn't already know, this is a huge opportunity, and I'm just gonna do a tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. Welcome back, guys. So this is David, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get into Bitcoin, get into cryptocurrency easily and effortlessly here in Canada. Okay. So the first steps you want to do is, I like this program. I like this website called Bitbuy. They've been around for years. Very simple to use, and at the very basic level, they want to make it so that digital currency is available for everyone. Okay, especially in Canada, you can transfer via Interact e-transfer, or you can do bank wire as well. Okay, what I like is you can do a Bitbuy Pro Trader mode, which is a little bit more advanced when it comes to charts, setting limits, etc. If you're a trader, if you're into stocks, anything like that, this is a great option for you. A little bit lower trading costs as well, rather than using this express option, which I'll show you both. Okay. Anyways, very secure. You can read all the fundamentals here, do your research before making an investment. But I really like this company, very easy to use. And I also like that they actually back up the Bitcoin with a warranty, with like insurance through Knox as well. So that's only if you invest in a Bitcoin and hold. Okay. So simple as that. Once you're in the BitBuy account, I recently made some purchases here. You can see some options. This is the express trade option. And what you want to do is you want to add some funds here, right? So you can buy Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS, etc. So all you want to do is add funds, right? Do wire transfer, e-transfer. So there's a small fee of 1.5%, which is not too bad. Wish it was free, but not everything's free in life, guys. So Interact e-transfer, I understand. What you're gonna do is say how much you want to put in. Let's say $100. In my opinion, guys, you should do at least $200. I'm gonna include a link below for a $20 bonus when you deposit at least a $20 investment. Okay. Or sorry, $200 investment, you get $20. Both of us get $20. This helps my channel, helps you guys. Win-win scenario. Okay. So let's say you want to put in 500, 500. You hit submit, literally. Now, Bitbuy is going to be expecting that you send over an email here. So it gives you the exact payment name, the email address, right, that they're going to receive it. It's just like e-transferring someone, okay? You're going to have this message here, that security question, and that answer. Usually this isn't required. They have auto pay, they have auto deposit already available. So most likely you just need this information. If auto deposit isn't enabled for some reason, you have this extra information. You hit submit, go to your online bank. You can go to, I use RBC, TD Bank, Bank of Montreal. You can use whatever bank in Canada you want. Send the information. I've been able to get deposits as quick as within a few hours, but I think the first time it might take up to 24 hours, something like that. Okay. So once you're in the platform, I'm going to hit cancel for now. You can do an express option where you can just hit buy. So I want to buy Bitcoin at, I want to spend like $50. You automatically get that amount of Bitcoin for that price at this market level price. Okay. So if you're a simple user, you don't want to learn anything fundamentals, you don't want to learn anything about trading, just buy on the dips, look at a chart, buy on the dips, and then just leave it there. Okay. You should probably do something called dollar cost averaging, which means once in a while, buy a little bit every day, and then it all adds up. So you're not like buying too high, buying too low. Now, what I like to do is going to pro trade mode. So what I like about the pro trade mode is it's a little bit more advanced. So you can actually look at the graphs for the day, for the week. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin graphs. Hopefully my face doesn't block off the graph here. And you can zoom right into the chart, right? So as you can see, you can change it to 2 hour, 30 minutes, 4 hour, 24 hours for the graph. So obviously Bitcoin has been taking off like crazy. And actually, I do encourage you guys to kind of look at this graph even before you start investing. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin keeps going and going. They say that Bitcoin is going to rise to, the all-time high, which is 20,000 US dollars, so Canadian much more. We're already past 25 right now in Canada. And then it's going to keep going. They say it's going to go to 100K, then 300K, etc. A little insane, but it's better to get in early than late. And it's honestly, there's only 21 million Bitcoin ever minted, and there will only ever be that amount. Okay. So you can see the asking price and the bid prices here. So essentially, it's buy and sell prices. So people want at least 24,995 for one Bitcoin, right? Now you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin. A lot of people think you have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy a piece of a Bitcoin called a Satoshi, and you can just buy a little piece of it, right? So you can have half a Bitcoin, one tenth of a Bitcoin, etc. And these are the selling prices. People are willing to. So this is the price where people want at least this much for you to buy. So they're selling. And these guys are, these guys are selling here, and you're gonna buy at the minimum this price, and then these guys are buying at these prices. All right. So hopefully I didn't confuse you, but let's say if you want to, buy, the market price is right now currently 25,111. Okay. Let's say, you know what? I think it's going to go lower than this. I think it's going to go to 24,000. Okay. So you can put 24,000. Let's say 24,200. Okay. And then you can spend 25%, 50%, up to 100% of your total balance that's in your Canadian balance. And then just choose that amount. Right now I have zero because I just made some purchases recently. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the Ethereum chart. I also recommend getting into some Ethereum as well, where I was buying in at different prices, right? You can see in October, I bought it at 520. It's up to 775, guys. This is insane. This is insane. I should have bought more, right? But you never really know. So it's called dollar cost averaging, buying a little at a time at different price points, okay? As of right now, kind of at break even for this one, a little bit above. All right. So once again, all you have to do is say, hey, I want to buy Ethereum. Market price is this, 778. I want to buy it at, I think I'm going to go down to 730, right? Or you could say, I think it's going to go down. Let's look at the chart. It's right now 779, right? You can say, you know what, for the day, it might go back down to, actually, let's go to, forget 24 hours. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, okay? To get a little bit more accurate in the day. You see how it's more within that day time frame now? So let's say it's going to dip down to 759 again, okay? Yeah, you know what? I think Ethereum might go down 759 with that. And then you can say how much of your portfolio there, how much of your wallet balance in Canadian fiat dollars, and put that amount. Now, if you're selling, since I actually have some balance in here, I could sell at market price, right? And sell all 100 and I'll get $219. Or I can say, you know what? I'm going to sell when I see it pop up at $900. I'm going to sell all my Ethereum. 900. Oh, that's market, limit. Guys, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, so bear with me. Early morning. So there's my balance there. Let's say I want to sell at 900, right? And I want to sell all of it. Boom. So I get 255. Obviously, the more Ethereum, the more Bitcoin you have, the higher that number. But I'm just showing you guys for educational perspective. Okay. Now, once you actually have some in your balance, right? Once you have some in your balance, I'm going to go back to Express here. Right. So you can go to your wallet and then you can go. You can actually go, okay, I actually want to invest somewhere else. I want to take it off the exchange and withdraw it. Okay. So let's say if I want to move my Ethereum or my Bitcoin to another exchange, there's other places where you can buy more different types of cryptocurrencies, guys. You could also earn interest on your Bitcoin and your cryptocurrency as well, your Ethereum. And I'll show you guys a couple places, okay? It's a little bit more advanced. So if you guys are just getting started, you can watch this video again and again till you understand what your options are, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So keep that in mind. Only put in money and invest in the cryptocurrency for money that you are willing to lose. So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. But if you are not currently in cryptocurrency, you need to be, because basically you're sleeping on these huge opportunities. Okay. You don't want to be the last person at the show. All right. So let's say I want to withdraw my Ethereum. I go to withdrawal, and then I'm going to put in my Ethereum wallet address and the amount. So I can use the available amount and withdraw the whole thing. And I can go to another exchange where I can buy and sell and also swap it out for a different currency. Okay. One of the exchanges I like to use, move some stuff around here, is called Crypto.com. Crypto.com is it's been around for a little while here. What I like is when you first make a deposit here, you actually get to void your trading fees, which is nice. They also have some cool stuff like a prepaid Visa card, which is super awesome. You get paid CRO cashback in Europe, UK, US, Singapore. Canada, it's happening as well. They announced that most likely in January, it's going to be available in Canada. Until then, you can still deposit and make purchases and utilize the exchange, okay? So let's go to the exchange here. Sorry, guys, I'm in between tabs. So once you're in the exchange, I have a little bit in here. I have most of my assets in off radar, and also in Celsius network, making me interest. Okay, I'll show you guys that at the end. So here you can go to exchange and you can check out the different markets, right? So once again, you can see the different markets here. You can go Bitcoin, BTC, BTC to BTC to USD, which is the USD stablecoin. You can check out the graphs kind of the same way. And here's your pricing here, right? This is obviously US dollar. You can change the whole thing to Canadian dollar as well. So what I like is you can also deposit here. And if you had Bitcoin, you can just hit deposit. And this is the address that you would copy. So I'd copy here. And then from my Bitbuy, I would copy and paste this address, right? In this case, it's going to be Ethereum because I was showing you an Ethereum example. So I'm going to go deposit. I copy this address, right? It takes 12 confirmations, so it takes a little bit of time. And I would literally just go back to my Bitbuy and say, okay, I want to withdraw to this address. And then it'll calculate the fees, right? It's going to cost me 0.01 Ethereum. Not too bad. All right. So that's why you want to do it. You kind of want to do it when you have more balance. Honestly, you don't want to do this for really, really small amounts because it's going to add up when it comes to the fees. Okay. So just kind of do it all in one swing if possible. So once it's in here, once it's in the exchange, you can either hold it or you can invest in 2 other cryptocurrencies. Okay. So you can go to the markets And look at all the different cryptocurrencies you can look at, right? Dot, so Polkadot, Uniswap, OMG, Neo, all these other different altcoins you can invest in. Now, if you're new to crypto, I wouldn't start going crazy with the alts unless you do the research, okay? Just start with Ethereum and Bitcoin, to be honest. Maybe XRP, but I'm heavy into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is basically a platform, a blockchain that people can build all these different altcoins on. They're called ERC tokens, right? And you can build smart contracts, etc. I'm not going to get into the advanced stuff today, guys. I just want to show you another exchange. And very similarly, you can buy and sell in this exchange, right? So let's say if I want to buy some BTC, I would just do this. I would have a balance here, and I would buy at that price. How much? Buy 1 Bitcoin at that price. I use 100% of my balance, and then I hit buy. That's it. Same thing. If I want to sell, I choose at what price, how much of it, and I hit sell. Simple as that. Okay. Crypto.com also allows you to stake and earn, make some yield on your holdings. You guys can look at that. I personally do like this option, but don't start off with this. It's a little more advanced. I actually use another platform for staking, which I'll show you in a few moments. Another platform, okay? Another platform you can use is called Binance. Binance, it has been around for several years and allows you to also invest into different cryptocurrencies as well. And they have, I would probably say, the most options here. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies, pairs, okay? So you can invest into different markets. And then once again, you can, let's go to the markets here. You can trade. Internet's a little brutal today, guys. So you can trade, go to be a basic trader, you can go classic and more advanced. And the main difference is there's different levels of charts. So if you're a more advanced trader, you can go to advanced and you can get more pivotal information here. And really narrow down into the exchanges, right? When it comes to, you know, what price to buy in at and things like that. So, you know, in Canada, I would start with the Bitbuy, kind of learn that game. Once you start getting into more altcoins, you can move your some of your funds, not all of it, but some of your funds here, and start investing into different different cryptocurrency pairs, right? So you can yeah. So you can trade in different pairs here. USD fiat, right? And I'm gonna buy, let's say if I want to buy Ethereum, right? ETH, USD. And yeah, just like in Bitbuy, you see the chart. And I'm gonna move my face over here to the bottom just for a moment. Say, hey, I want to buy or sell this amount, right? I can set my price, how much of it, and then do that. So every single trade you make, just like in stock market, there's going to be a small commission fee for them to make profits, okay? So you're going to just keep that in mind when you're trading. Know that there is going to be a fee every trade that you make. So just be knowledgeable enough to understand that so that you're not getting wrecked when it comes to fees, okay? One last exchange I'm going to show you guys is called QCoin. I really like it personally. There's so many different, I really like the view of it, and they're always doing these different promotional offers. Once again, more advanced, but what I like is very easy to use. A lot of advanced stuff you can do though. You can do 10x leverage. Same with the Binance. You can do 10x leverage. You can do. I think they actually do staking now. You know, different things there. You can provide liquidity, so you can make money on your crypto. You can lend out your crypto. You know, I wouldn't touch any of this stuff until you really understand cryptocurrency, but it's all available here. It's pretty advanced. What I want to show you guys is just basically the markets. Okay. Sorry about the delay. Internet's waking up. And once again, you can get all kinds of different crypto here. Neo, Dash, anything you can pretty much imagine is here. Ethereum, Polkadot, XRP. Like, do your research, guys. Do your research. Okay. Polkadot. Oh yeah, Polkadot is .dot. It looks like there's no Polkadot yet. Okay, but there is Neo, and there is XRP, and there is, I believe, Uniswap. Nope, QCoin doesn't have Uniswap. Okay. Well, you guys can look at the different coins that QCoin has to offer. The CRO, that's interesting. That's the crypto.com one. So yeah, bunch of different projects that they promote as well, and they're always showing different projects that are just coming out as well that they're kind of promoting, right? And different trading contests and stuff like that. But once again, it's kind of advanced. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all I want to show you guys for different exchanges. Do your research. There's a tons of exchanges out there in the market. These are just some of the ones that I use. But if you're just learning Bitcoin, just learning crypto in Canada, stick with just the Bitbuy.ca. Okay. Once again, I have a $20 bonus for you guys for anyone getting in if you deposit at least $200 on Bitbuy.ca. Now, I want to show you guys one last thing because I love and care about you guys and want you guys to make money on interest. Okay. So let's say you invest a little bit more into crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. Celsius Network is my personal favorite when it comes to innovative companies. Okay. So what you can do is actually earn rewards and earn interest on your crypto, which is freaking amazing. Okay. So you can earn on your Bitcoin to 6.2% per year, guys. And girls, guys and girls, 7.21 on your Ethereum, right? So that means not only are you making money on the increase in value on crypto, you're also earning interest on it, which is far more than 1% that traditional bank is going to earn you. Okay. So that's the app. You just download the app. I'm going to have a click. I'm going to have a click on the link below. I'm going to have a link for Celsius where if you deposit at least, what is the limit? 200, right? And hold it for at least 30 days, you're going to get a $20 bonus. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you download the app, you deposit it. Very easy to use. You can watch my other videos on Celsius Network. Point is, you guys can earn interest on your investment. Okay. I really like the company, very dependable company. Alex Mashinsky founded Voice over IP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Okay, which means when you talk on Skype, when you talk on Facebook, when you talk on a Facebook Messenger, when you talk on ICQ. I'm just joking. That's dating me right now. You can you utilize the technology called Voice over Internet Protocol, which is what Alex Mashinsky helped co-found, right? And become an ambassador. So I'm an ambassador for Celsius, which means that's the reason why I have a referral code. And what's the requirement? Yeah. So if you transfer at least $200 and hold it for 30 days, you get $20. And you can, and I always encourage you guys to be an affiliate or have a referral link for any of these platforms as well. So you can share the awareness of cryptocurrency, just like I do for you guys. And then you can start earning $20 per person, right? So I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm a digital marketer. So that's a good opportunity for you guys. If you're looking for some income opportunities in the space, don't want to go back to work, don't want to wear a mask at work, or you're working at home, you can start earning rewards from these different platforms that you believe in, okay? So Celsius is amazing. I've made quite a bit of interest over the last only like a month and a half. It's been booming, and Cell token has gone over 4,000% in the last couple of years. All right. So this is huge. Back to Bitbuy for a second here. Right. Like I said, simple as that. Add funds, choose a method. Once the money's there, hit buy. Hit buy. So notification. I should have put do not disturb. And yeah, once you have some money in there, you put it in your wallet. You can see there how much your balances are. Then you simple as hitting withdrawal. There's multiple different types of wallets you can hold. This is called a browser-based like online wallet. There's something called MetaMask, which is a browser-based plugin type wallet, which is very popular. Which I'll do another video on that down the road. And then there's a physical crypto wallet which you can have, which is a physical. It's almost like it's like a USB device, and you store all your crypto on that. There's software wallets where you can download like Exodus, etc. But if you want to just kind of keep it simple, you can keep it on the exchange here. All right. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I'm inspired for you guys to get into the crypto space. If you guys didn't already, see the charts, cryptocurrency is on an all-time, it's going to all-time highs again. I'm going to go show you CoinGecko, okay? Like, look at the numbers recently, guys. Bitcoin in the last 7 days, over 8%, okay? Ethereum over the last 7 days, 24%. And it's going and going and going, right? And if you look versus all-time high, right? Bitcoin's, a little bit under all-time high. Ethereum's is minus 58% compared to all-time high. So all-time high price for Ethereum, guys, was 1,448. Do you think we can make it there again? I truly do believe that we can. XRP has a lot of opportunity there too. So, get in early, not late. Don't use all your savings, all your life savings, but you need to start doing the research. Okay. So yeah, this is David, August University here. And if you're ready to buy Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in Canada, these are the tools to use. If you have any questions at all, once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you have questions at all, comment below, or I have my information in the description. And for all the bonuses, every single platform that I mentioned here, I have bonuses for you guys for every single one, okay? So Bitbuy, click on the link below. You're gonna get $20 when you deposit $200. When it comes to crypto.com, if you decide to stake on crypto.com, I have a link there. If you decide to utilize Binance or QCoin or Celsius, take advantage of the Celsius bonus. I have the links all in my description as well. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Good luck, and see you in the next one.